Hello everyone, Realme is totally eligible to be called a new flagship killer. Just appeared 3 years before, registered record growth in Q3 of 2021 as a 31% rise in sale in 3 months. It gained 7th rank in the mobile market in the limited time with 61 major markets. A lot of artists brought first 125-watt ultra-charger for Snapdragon 888 smartphone and 5G smartphone under $200. With high-end camera setup, Realme 8 Pro collected a lot of praise, and next gen of it, next line up is on its way with the launch of Realme 9i, which is launched in the Indian markets. Pro Plus tag, it will carry first time remaining budget friendly. It will be equipped with latest Dimensity 920 SoC with the support of 8GB of RAM with 50 megapixel main shooter with Sony optics, which will use 1/5.6 inches sensor with 1 micron of pixel size and 2 pixels with a binning and f1.8 lens with a downgraded 90Hz of the refresh rate of display. It will support 6.63 inches of Super AMOLED display, same, yet we are certain that 9i, 9 Pro and 9 Pro Plus while missing the 9 specs yet. We are waiting for that bombastic gadget when it will hit the market. Thank you.